Put this in your house, and 1 hour later, you won't see flies or mosquitoes anymore. In summer, when it's hot and rainy, mosquitoes come in large numbers. Did you know that mosquitoes and flies are most active when it's hotter than 80 degrees? Mosquitoes can carry diseases, so it's important to protect yourself and your family from them. After trying this recipe, the mosquitoes and flies disappeared, so we want to share it with you. But first, tell us which insects bother you the most in your house. In today's video, you'll learn how to make a natural recipe to get rid of mosquitoes and ants at home. While some find these insects annoying, they have an important role in nature. Instead of killing them, we should find ways to keep them away from our homes and gardens. Both mosquitoes and flies can be bothersome, especially on hot days and at bedtime. Now, let's learn the ingredients for this recipe that can keep them away from your house forever. Vinegar has a smell that mosquitoes and ants don't like, so it's good for scaring them away. Cloves have a substance called eugenol, which can kill insects. Bay leaf has a smell that repels insects and stops them from reproducing. Pretty cool, right? Now, write down the ingredients for the recipe: 2 tablespoons of cloves, 2 bay leaves, half a cup of white vinegar, and a glass of water. Here's how to make it: put the water in a pot, add the cloves and bay leaves, and boil it for 10 minutes. Let it cool down, then strain it and add the white vinegar. Mix it well and put the solution in a spray bottle. It's ready to use. Since it smells like cloves, you can use this mixture to clean the dining table, floor, dishwasher, countertops, sofa, and near the windows. This will keep mosquitoes away from your house because they don't like the smell of cloves. Give it a try and share your experience with us. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting health tips and home remedies. Check out our other videos to help you reach your health goals.